Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Face ID not recognizing your face in iOS 18.1. If you're experiencing issues with Face ID, follow these steps to resolve the problem. First, make sure the Face ID sensors on your iPhone are clean. Check the top of your device for any dirt, smudges, or debris on the true depth camera. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to gently clean the area. Next, ensure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General, then select Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it to address any potential bugs affecting Face ID. If the problem persists, go back to Settings, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode when prompted. In this menu, tap Reset Face ID. After that, set up Face ID again by following the on-screen instructions. You can also add an alternate appearance for better recognition. Still in the Face ID and Passcode menu, tap Set up an alternate appearance. This is helpful if you often wear glasses, hats, or frequently change your hairstyle. If none of these steps resolve the issue, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and either volume button until the power slider appears. Slide to power off, then wait a few seconds and turn your phone back on. Finally, if Face ID still isn't working, the issue might be hardware related. Contact Apple support through the support app or visit the nearest Apple store for assistance. That's it. That's how you can solve Face ID not recognizing your face in iOS 18.1. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.